Ladies and gentlemen of Orlando, Florida, and the world, we have reached the very end of human history. There is no more looking back. There are no more tales to tell. There is only right here and right now. Mañana will take care of mañana. And here, under this blue umbrella sky, we await the swinging sword of justice, wielded by the Almighty herself, wielded to behead the weak and to raise up the pure of heart. This is the World Chili Eating Challenge, presented by Dave & Buster's. There is no bigger stage in all of world sports. You in the yellow tank, you've waited no more than 6 minutes for this contest to start, bro. But I, and these weapons of mass cogitation about to join me, we've been waiting our entire lives. Waiting, but not preparing. You can't prepare for something this awesome. It's like falling in love with a girl from Kissimmee for the first time, or like hang glide. And right now we are all perched on the cliff edge of our dreams right here in this sanctum sanctorum of salivation, this Mount Sinai of mastication, this Colosseum of competitive eating. 4 words, let the contest begin! Let it begin! Let it begin! Let it begin! Drop that back a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, count 3. Ladies and gentlemen, she is here to represent the presenting sponsor of this event, Dave & Buster's. Her name is Sylvia Tough. Ladies and gentlemen, when you are on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire in the future, and the $1 million question is, who was the first contestant in the 2018 Major League Eating season to take to the stage? You, and possibly only you, will know the answer. She has no chance of winning, but I like her courage. Please welcome Sylvia Tough. Sylvia Tough. Ladies and gentlemen, between the old school and the new school stands a 400-pound institution dedicated to the arts and the sciences of competitive eating. And I could tell you all about his 20 years at the top of the Major League Eating tree, but who better than the man himself, the big man, the bad man, ranked number 18 in the world, Eric Badlands Booker! Yeah, I say 1 for the mic, 2 for the fork and knife, 3 for the pad and pen. I use to scribe rhymes right. Come on! I like to eat. Yeah! I like to rap. Orlando, you ready? I like to grab the mic and spit rhymes right. I say 1 for the mic, 2 for the fork and knife, 3 for the pad and pen. I use to scribe rhymes right. 4, 5 the way I fire words straight at your brain. I can missile, never abyssal. I shower like rain. Torrential. All I need is a mic and an instrumental to spray from the existential. Oh man, the mental something vibrant, flowing like water out of a hydrant without a sprinkling cap. I'm forceful like that. Street style poems I scribe without a thesaurus so forceful and loud. You think it was a chorus transcribed from parts of my brain since age 11. And rocking these eating since when? 1987. I got what it takes to pursue this. Got what it takes to make through this. And I got that staying power. Got what it takes to straight the power. Do what I came to that party. Easy feet hardly. Okay, focus. I has a for that. Peace to Sam Barkley. Badlands ladies and gentlemen. Our next contestant, ladies and gentlemen, already ranked number 8 in the world in less than a year on the Major League Eating circuit. He has done so while in the full bloom of youth. Meanwhile, I'm 43 years old and I wear a straw hat yelling at people eating for a living. But it's not about me, it's about him and the future. I believe the children of the future. Teach them well, let them lead the way, said the great poet Whitney Houston. Ranked number 8 in the world from Orange, Virginia, Jaron Breeden. Our next contestant, ladies and gentlemen, is the number 1 ranked eater from Africa. He, like I, and many of you and your forebears, crossed the great seas to find peace and prosperity in this land we call America. He brought with him simple possessions, a ball of twine, a pair of shoes, and a Bible. And deep within his heart, he brought the hope, the passion, and the humility that defines a great competitive eater. Do not bear false witness, Orlando. Only the truth will set you free. 6'9", 220 pounds, the kale and green chili stew eating champion of the world. Ranked number 6 in the world, Gideon, the truth, OG. Our next contestant, ladies and gentlemen, is the number 1 ranked female eater on the planet. Yes, sisters, ranked number 5 overall. I'm talking, of course, about the reigning women's hot dog eating champion of the world. 41 Nathan's famous hot dogs and buns in just 10 minutes. The kimchi and ice cream eating champion of the world. Bow down to Her Majesty. World number 5, Mickey Sudo. Ladies and gentlemen, he holds a graduate degree in computer science. He is a power lifter, a teacher by trade, and very much an eater by disposition. And you may ask whether or not Joe Flacco is an elite quarterback, or if Canada is an elite country, or if Gouda is an elite cheese. But mark my words, our next contestant is an elite eater. He defeated the Great Chestnut 3 times last year. Will he walk away with a W? Here today, from Oxford, Massachusetts, ranked number 4 in the world, Jeffrey Esper. That ominous sound you hear is the unrelenting, callous, and cruel sound of his naked, brutal, barbaric, merciless ambition, ladies and gentlemen. He has no respect for the chain of command. our final contestant is. He is half man, all American, the living embodiment of everything we hold dear in this great republic. And each and every time he stands at the Major League eating table, a giant beam of white light shoots forward from his mouth to illuminate the way forward, ladies and gentlemen. If he was born in Italy, his name would have been Giuseppe, and he would have been very good at eating fettuccine Alfredo, amongst other delicacies. But he was not born in Italy. He was born here, on this rock. And the rock upon which he stands today is not made of earth, nor dirt, nor stone. It's made of hope, it's made of love, it's made of country, it's made of faith. The number one ranked in the world, 44 world records, the reigning chili eating champion of the world, the hot dog eating champion of the world, the taco eating champion of the world, Joey George Chestnut! Let's pause it right there, DJ. Okay, contestants, before we get started, this is an eating contest, not an almost eating contest. Please finish the bowl in front of you before moving on to the next bowl. Eaters, if you would like to add additional chili.
I got Buckeye.
Yeah, I did look good. Is everyone happy with their chili before we go any further? Everyone's good?
Second place.
1-0. How we count down? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! They are off and racing, ladies and gentlemen. This 6-minute contest is a sprint. Darren Breeden already got, Joey, Carmen and Darren already got one down, as does Jeffrey Esper. I'm seeing more debris in Chestnut's first bowl than I would like. I hope that does not influence the results towards the end. Two bowls down for Esper. It's already more than 2 bowls down for Carmen Cincotti. Darren Breeden already on bowl number 3. A little over a minute gone, ladies and gentlemen. Our contestants moving very, very quickly. Miki Sudo already got half a gallon of chili down. This is not a great technique event, I will be completely honest. 4.5 minutes gone, 4.5 minutes to go, I should say. 90 seconds down. Three bowls down for Chestnut. But I'm already seeing 4 down for Cincotti. Cincotti is marching ahead. Cincotti has found a rhythm of speed and a rhythm of purpose. I'm surprised to see Chestnut. Using a left hand when he is right-handed dominant with a spoon. I'm concerned that this is a tactical error on the great eater's part. 4 minutes to go. A dash under 4 eaters. Carmen Cincotti. Well, Sylvia Tough from Dave & Buster's. We're rapidly approaching the halfway point.
I think he could have come.
That's a gallon and a piece of gallon or a gallon and a quarter down for Chestnut. It's hard to see at this stage. Sylvia Tough. It appears to be a race at the moment. I never thought I would say this, between Carmen Cincotti and Jeffrey Esper. They appear to be an entire bowl ahead of Chestnut at this stage. As we approach 2.5 minutes to go. $3,500 a fine. You're awfully quiet, Orlando, Florida. You may well be witnessing a world record. Esper moving with an efficient rhythm that defines his eating. But it appears to be Carmen Cincotti eating perhaps more cleanly. Less than 2 minutes to go. 1 minute and 50 seconds to go. Our contestants are giving 1,110% effort, which is mathematically impossible, but true. That's 3 bowls down, 4 bowls down for Badlands. 90 seconds to go. It appears to be neck and neck between Carmen, but Joey is storming back. Joey is showing why he is the #1 ranked eater in the world. He appears to have picked up a ball. 55 seconds to go. 55 seconds to glory, ladies and gentlemen. 44 seconds. Orlando, you will help them bring it home. Orlando, they need you now more than ever. This is like mile 20 in the marathon. Gideon Oji is reaching deep. He appears to have hit a wall. He needs to stop. There is no show me that. 25 seconds to go. 20 seconds, Orlando. They need you. They need you like they need their mothers. Be there for them and help us from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop, 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 stop. A round of applause for all our contestants. I'm going to leave you with some chill out music. I'm going to go down the line and adjudicate the results. I'll be right back with you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a tie for 5th place. With 6 3/4 bowls of chili, a tie for 5th. Mickey Sudo and Jeffrey Esper, ladies and gentlemen. Oh no, sorry, and Gideon Oji. DJ, let's silence the music there. I never thought that I would live to see the day when I would say this. In 4th place, with 7.5 bowls, Joey Chestnut, ladies and gentlemen. That's almost 2 gallons of chili.
You never seen that Nathan's
DJ, resume that music. In third place, with 8.5 bowls, Darren Breeden, ladies and gentlemen. Darren Breeden, $500 richer. I want Esper, and I want Sincotti. Mickey, if I can ask you to step to the left, Joey to the right, gentlemen to the... One of these men ate 8 3/4 bowls. 32-ounce bowl chili in 6 minutes. One of them, however, set a new world record with 9 3/4 32-ounce bowls of chili in 6 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, $1,750 richer, a new world record and one that he has stolen from his nemesis, the man they call Chestnut. Come and see Cuddy! In second place, the great Jeffrey Esper with 8 3/4. Sincotti, new world record holder. He may be smiling, but he hates each and every one with every fiber of his being. Do not applaud. That concludes our show. Thank you to everybody.